In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add personalization tokens to an email subject line in Hubspot. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are on the main navigation view. Look toward the bottom of the left side menu for the three dots, sometimes shown as a More option. Click those three dots to open the full menu, where you can access additional tools. From there, click CRM. In the CRM area, find and open the Message Template library. This is where Hubspot stores templates and snippets that you can reuse for emails. Once you are in the template library, click New Template. This is the point where you decide how you want to build your content. Hubspot will give you a choice to start from scratch or to use something from the template library. If you are building something very specific, starting from scratch can be helpful. If you want to save time and begin with a proven layout, choosing from the library is a great option. For this walkthrough, select a template from the library. After you choose the template you want, save your selection so you can edit it. Next, click on your template or snippet name to open it fully in the editor. Now you are ready to add personalization. Click inside the text area where you want the token to appear. If you are adding it to an email subject line, click directly into the subject line field so the token inserts in the right place. It is a good idea to place your cursor exactly where you want the personalized value to show up, such as at the beginning of the subject line or after a greeting word. At the bottom toolbar in the editor, click Personalize. A panel will open that lets you choose what kind of data you want to pull in. Set the type to Contact, since subject line personalization commonly uses contact details. Then choose the property you want, such as a first name or another contact field that fits your message. Finally, click Insert. You should now see the personalization token placed into the subject line or text area you selected. Save your template when you are done so your changes are not lost. And that is all there is to it.